Reading habit is just like any other habit, which is difficult to make and very easy to break. Hey guys, this is Sakshi and I heartily welcome you all to Books with Sakshi. I really hope that you all are doing great and you're keeping safe. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to build reading habits, because this is the question I've been asked frequently by a lot of new readers especially. So in this video we are really going to talk openly about that whether it is possible to build reading habit if you are not from a background who reads a lot, or if you don't have people around you who usually read. So to answer my last question, I would say that definitely it is possible to be a reader, to build reading habit, to be an avid reader even when no one around you actually reads. Because I did this when I started reading, no one around me read back then, and even today no one around me reads. I have this beautiful Instagram community where we talk about books and all those kind of things which are related to books. In case you're not following me on my Instagram, definitely go. We recently hit 10k on my Instagram and I would really be happy to have you there. It is said that 21 days are enough to make a new habit or to build a new habit. But I don't want you to take reading as a challenge, because personally I don't advocate or support these kind of things. But what I want you to do is, first of all, have a routine for yourself. Like you find time to eat, you find time to sleep, do your work and all the things which you do in your day. You have found time to do these things. So similarly, start finding time for reading as well. You can read before going to bed, you can read after waking up in the morning. So before you start your day, what you can do is just read few pages and then start with your day. If you do not have time in the morning, try reading during night, like before sleeping. Just read like 10 to 15 pages and instantly go to sleep rather than using social media. So this is one advice which I always give to people who always ask me that how they can build reading habit. So have a routine for yourself. Have not a fixed time, but time period like night or day for yourself where you're going to read. Talking about myself, I read anytime because now I'm an avid reader. But personally, I prefer reading either during night time, because that is the time when I get a lot of silence around me, or I read during the morning time because again there is so much of silence around me. So find time by yourself, just dedicate that time specifically for reading. Cut off social media, don't use phone during that time, and read 10 to 20 pages in one go. Don't keep it as a challenge, because I don't want you to be stressed or anxious about reading. I want it to be a thing that you learn from or you derive pleasure from. Another thing which you can do and which you should definitely do in order to make reading as your habit is reading the books you are really interested in reading. Now you know that there are so many books out there, and even if I'm an avid reader, I'm not going to be in a mood to read every kind of a book which is out there. I will only read what I want to read, so that I'm actually interested in reading what I'm reading. So this is again something I highly recommend. Just read whatever you want, so that you are also interested in reading like 10 to 15 pages at the time which you have completely scheduled for reading. So don't grab books or don't read something that you really don't want to read, or something that someone else recommended but you're not in a mood to read. Just read what can personally help you. Just read what you feel interested in. Another third tip which I have is, don't use or sit in front of any kind of device or screen, TV, phone, laptop, tablet, whatever it is, at least before 30 minutes you start reading. This is definitely tried and tested method, because what usually happens when you're watching device and when you're using social media, your mind is definitely distracted towards or occupied towards social media. And when you instantly switch your mind to books, your mind does not switch very suddenly. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. It takes some time to, be concentrated. It is not like, in just one moment you are going to use social media, and in the other moment you are going to read books and be concentrated. So this is again one thing which I have tested on myself, is that when I don't really use any kind of screen before like half an hour, I really feel very focused in what I'm reading. So this is again something which can help a lot many people. So last but not the least tip I have for building a reading habit is read daily. Be consistent. And I guess this is the most important tip, to be honest, because if you just read today and then you just take a break and you're reading after 1 week, and then again you take a break and then you're reading after 1 month, it's not going to work. Even if you're so busy, you can like read just one page. I don't think one page is going to take like more than 2 minutes. That's it. It depends on your reading speed as well. It's not going to take more than like 1 or 2 minutes. So even on a very hectic day, even on a very 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 busy day, when you feel like you just cannot do anything, that is completely okay if you don't have the energy to do any kind of thing. But if you feel that okay, you can be consistent, you can really work on building this reading habit, you should definitely read. And I'm not forcing this thing that everyone have to read, everyone is supposed to read. No, it's completely your choice. If you want to build a reading habit, you have to do certain kind of things. Even on a very rough day when I just don't feel like reading, or when I don't feel like doing any kind of work, I still prefer that at least I read at least half of the page, not complete one page, but at least I read something. Not because I am in the process of building that habit, but it has become a part of my life, because I've been reading books since I guess almost 3 to 4 years by now. So you see, over the period of time it will become your habit. So no one is forcing you to just read 24 hours. Just give it some time, and that is it. So even if you read like 10 minutes a day, that is completely sufficient. Even if you read 5 minutes a day, that is just 2 or 3 pages, that is also enough. What is more important is that whether you are concentrated in the time you're reading, whether you're learning or taking away something from it, or are you feeling happy, are you feeling satisfied with your reading? This is all which actually counts. Numbers don't matter, the time you spend does not matter, anything does not matter except the learning and the pleasure part. And with that, we have reached the end of this video, and I really hope that you genuinely found this video helpful. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing it. It will really make me more and more happy. And do follow my Instagram with the handle @books-with-sakshi. I'll definitely be happy to see you over there. And if you have any video request or any video which you want me to talk about related to books, related to journaling and stuff, definitely let me know them in the comments down below. I would love to make a requested video. And so that's it, I guess, and I'll see you in the next videos. Until next time, take care, be safe.